Solving a Rubik's Cube can be a challenging but rewarding task. The most popular method for solving the Rubik's Cube is called the CFOP method, cross, F2L, OLL, PLL. Here's a simplified step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Solve the cross, CFOP method. Start by solving a cross on one face of the cube, usually the white face. This involves aligning the edge pieces with the center piece of the same color. Once you have completed the cross, make sure the edge pieces adjacent to the cross are also aligned with their respective centers. 2. F2L, first two layers. In this step, you'll pair up corner and edge pieces that belong to the same layer. Solve them together and insert them into their correct positions. There are many algorithms to learn for this step, as you'll need different moves depending on the specific case you encounter. 3. OLL, orientation of the last layer. Now focus on solving the last layer's orientation. This step involves getting all the yellow faces pieces oriented correctly. There are several algorithms to learn for this step as well, each designed to manipulate specific patterns. 4. PLL, permutation of the last layer. Finally, you'll solve the permutation of the last layer's pieces. This step rearranges the last layer's pieces into their correct positions. Similar to the previous steps, this requires learning and applying specific algorithms based on the patterns you encounter. Keep in mind that learning to solve the Rubik's Cube requires practice and patience. It's recommended to start with a beginner's method and gradually progress to more advanced techniques as you become more comfortable with the cube. There are numerous online resources, tutorials, and videos available that can guide you through the process, including visual demonstrations of the algorithms for each step. Remember, solving the Rubik's Cube is like learning a new skill. It might seem complex at first, but with dedication and practice, you'll improve and become faster over time.
The other 11 is something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be